Today I am making a $3 Dollar Tree egg, more bougie and more fancy, because it's gorgeous. This egg is so pretty. It was $3. You could see it in the corner of the pink. I'm trying to make a messy bow. I've been seeing some crafters on YouTube doing messy bows. I got some of this ribbon from the Dollar Tree. Some of it was scraps. The beads, they were supposed to be sticky. What I wanted to do was cut them off and put them in the center of each flower, but I'm not gonna lie, the Dollar Tree sticky bead strips aren't that sticky. I mean, they're sticky, but I don't think they're gonna adhere to much more than paper. So I just peeled it off and I made 2 strips to be part of my messy bow. And let me tell you, it is a messy bow. I'm a messy crafter. And yep, as you can see, the struggle is real. I had a Dollar Tree hair clip, and I thought that'd be perfect to put in the center of my messy bow. Look at how pretty that is. And it clipped it all together. I didn't have to do any kind of crazy anything with it. That kept it all clipped together. I fussed around with the bows a little bit more because they weren't cooperating with me. But again, I love shabby chic and I love messy, so I'm not worried about it being perfect. This is a taper holder I got from Dollar Tree. It was black. I just kind of did a messy brush of white paint over it. It's actually wall paint. I got a big can of wall paint. Figured, let me just put it on there. I wanted it to look that way. I took some floral stems from the Dollar Tree and I just started snipping off each individual leaf and flower because I'm going to actually glue them and kind of make a little swag on the candlestick holder. I picked through, I thought these were cute. They're kind of like flocked, but they're a brighter pink. And normally I don't go that bright with pink, but I thought it'd be a nice contrast with the light pink and the really pretty deep pink of that egg. It's kind of like I guess they call it ballerina pink. No, that's not ballerina pink. That's like pink pink. Like pink elephant, Pepto-Bismol, cotton candy, bubblegum, I don't know, whatever pink you think it is, we'll go with that. But I dabbed some glue in the middle, a little bit of hot glue, and I started trying to arrange these. Again, they don't have to be perfect, and mine weren't. So I was just kind of trying to arrange them in a way that I liked. Ow, that hurt. I did buy one of those dabber things for the hot glue, but I lost it. I don't know where it is. So I was just kind of winging it. This wasn't a really hot glue gun, which was good. My other hot glue gun was just, I don't know, it was just out of control. It was just leaking glue everywhere. I was wasting more glue than using, so I went with this little one. And as you can see, I added, you add glue as you go. You don't want to put a ton of glue on it, but as you go, what you need, add more glue. And that's what I was doing with this. Don't worry about that big dab of glue in the middle because we will be covering that up with our messy bow. But you just play around, have fun with it. Have fun with it. And worst thing comes to worst, if you don't like the way it's arranged, hot glue peels off pretty easy. You could just take it off and start over. You could do different flowers, leaves. You could do anything with it. I was just trying to stick them around to kind of make a messy pattern. All of this craft is messy. Messy but pretty, because in real life can be messy. It's very pretty, it's very beautiful, but it's also very messy. See, we're having some philosophy with our crafting. Now I'm going to stick on the messy bow. just because I want to see how it lays on there. I think I'm doing that next. Yes, okay, here we are. And I just kind of want to see, oh, look at how pretty. And all I did was add some glue to the clip. And I stuck it on there. The bow was a little, the one bow part was just like, it just wasn't bending right. So I did have to doctor it with more glue and play around with it. And then some of the leaves weren't sticking quite. I had to add a little more glue. But like I said, add glue as you go. You know, touch it up. I just wanted to see, okay. I was going to glue the egg onto the candlestick, but I decided not to. Because I might be able to put, after Easter, like a spring candle on top of this candle holder. So I didn't want to completely glue the egg on, but you can. You absolutely can. Nothing wrong with that. Now I'm just kind of fussing with it and making sure everything's laying nice. I do have hot glue clamps, but there was no way I was getting it clamped on this. It was just such an awkward shape. This leaf kind of wasn't sticking that good, so I added glue right to the stem of the leaf and kind of tucked it in there and pressed on it a little bit more. I'm really liking the way it came out though, and it was so easy to do. I will say though, if you're working with a lot of florals, I've learned clipping them off and using individual leaves makes a huge difference in a lot of arrangements. You don't have to clip them all, but you want to, you know, add some finishing touches. So definitely invest in a pair of floral cutters, wire cutters. I was using scissors and it just wasn't going great. So I think it was Hobby Lobby. I got a pair for $6. There I am adding just a little more glue, like I said. The nice thing about hot glue is you can peel it off. It'll adhere, it'll stay, but when you're ready to chuck it off, you can just kind of chuck it off, peel it off. Us Gen Xers like glue. We like to put glue on things and peel it off, like our fingers, our hands. Yeah, we're weirdos. That's all good. I embrace my freak flag and I fly it high. My weirdo flag. Okay, see, yeah, that one piece just was not, it was just really making me mad. But it's pink, and isn't she pretty in pink? Da, na, 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 na. Pretty, pretty in pink. Okay, I'll stop singing. And here we have a very beautiful, bougie, fabulous Fabergé egg. It's not Fabergé, we know that, but all made from Dollar Tree stuff. So thank you for hanging with me and crafting with me. A little philosophy, a little Gen X talk. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you. See you soon.